We will show you how to install your Onduclair PC polycarbonate roof light in a few easy steps. You will need the following equipment: an electric saw, a screwdriver, a measuring tape, a pen, and a spirit level. Personal safety in a work environment is important. We recommend to wear gloves and safety glasses and work on a stable support. Before getting started, check the structure and slope of your roof. Onduclair products are recommended for pitches of at least 15%. The maximum distance between purlins is 110 centimeters. It's important to check these points so that your installation can be optimized and durable. Onduclair PC polycarbonate sheets are extremely resistant, in particular to heat. They are recommended for walls and roofs of greenhouses. To install Onduclair PC, first calculate the number of sheets you will need, taking into account the overlapping of the sheets, 20 centimeters for the end overlap and 2 corrugations for the side overlap. Position the rope at a distance of 7 centimeters maximum from the edge of the roof, on each side of the roof. Pre-drill holes before fixing the sheets. A 14mm large hole will allow thermal movements. To install the sheets, start from the eave of the ridge. In order to achieve a perfect alignment, use the rope as a reference. Use Onduclair fasteners kit to fix the sheets. Install the first row of sheets from side to side, ensuring a side overlap of 2 corrugations. Install the second row. Pay attention to the 20 centimeter end overlap. The installation of these elements is always done in the opposite direction of the prevailing winds. Fasten on every corrugation at the eave. For the rest of the roof, fasten 1 corrugation out of 2. Be careful! Do not fasten the corrugation that is overlapped by the next sheet. For the cladding, we will install the sheets as on the roof. Fasteners can be fixed on the top or on the lowest part of the corrugation. That's it! The installation of your Onduclair PC roof is now finished. Remarks: clean your roof regularly, at least once a year. Use large quantities of lukewarm water with a non-abrasive household detergent and a sponge or clean cloth. Corrugated sheets have an external side with UV protection. Be careful, this side is installed upwards. Identify the side with UV protection reading the product identification through the sheet. To install a greenhouse, pay attention to the ventilation. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our technical department.